Welcome to the Learning CX channel, where we're all about customer experience. From the moment a customer walks through your doors, the experience they have is everything. And that's why we're here, to help you learn how to provide an exceptional experience that will keep your customers coming back for more. But it's not just about the customers, it's also about your staff. Staff training is a key component in delivering an exceptional customer experience. When your employees are trained to understand and anticipate the needs of your customers, they can provide a level of service that sets your business apart from the competition. And when your customers leave your business feeling happy and satisfied, they become your biggest advocates. They'll share their positive experience with their friends and family, and that's how your business grows. So join us on our journey as we explore the world of customer experience and staff training. We'll show you how to create a customer-focused culture that will transform your business and leave your customers feeling valued and appreciated. So what exactly is customer experience? Customer experience refers to the sum of all interactions a customer has with a company or brand, from initial awareness to post-purchase follow-up. It includes every touch point a customer has with a company, including the website, social media channels, email, phone conversations, and face-to-face interactions with sales representatives or customer service representatives. A great customer experience is essential for building and maintaining a loyal customer base. The goal of customer experience is to exceed customer expectations by creating a positive emotional connection between the customer and the brand.
So what are the key ingredients in delivering a great customer experience? First, it starts with understanding your customers' needs and preferences. This means taking the time to get to know your target audience and what they want from your product or service. Second, it is important to create a customer-centric culture that puts the customer at the center of everything you do. This means fostering a company culture that values customer feedback, empowers employees to make decisions that benefit the customer, and provides the necessary resources and training to support a customer-first mentality. Third, it is important to provide a seamless and consistent experience across all touchpoints. This means ensuring that your website is easy to navigate, your social media channels are active and engaging, your customer service team is responsive and helpful, and your product or service is of high quality. Finally, it is important to continuously listen to and act on customer feedback. This means regularly soliciting feedback from your customers and using that feedback to improve your product or service and the customer experience as a whole. In conclusion, customer experience is a critical aspect of any business. It's the sum of all interactions a customer has with a company and is essential for building and maintaining a loyal customer base. By understanding your customers' needs and preferences, creating a customer-centric culture, providing a seamless and consistent experience, and listening to and acting on customer feedback, you can create a great customer experience that sets your business apart from the competition.
And that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the like button below, and subscribe to our channel.